Hello dear students, in this tutorial video today I am going to tell you how you can create a birthday invite, a birthday invitation document in MS Word, Microsoft Word. So here we go. As you must have seen already that whenever you go to any stationery shop to buy a birthday invitation card, those invitation cards are very colorful, and at times they also have some border, some page color is there, some background picture is there. There is so much of text is there, colorful text in different font styles you can see in your birthday invite, and there are pictures also. So I will try to show how you can put all these things in your Microsoft Word document and design a birthday invitation card for your own birthday. So the first thing that we will do is that, as you can see, this gray area is called page margins in MS Word. So we cannot type beyond the margins. So margins are defined from top to bottom and from left to right. So this gray portion marks the margin. So as you can see, the cursor is already blinking in the document. So the first thing that we will do in our birthday invite is that we will add a page border and page color. So to add a page border and page color in MS Word, you will go to Design tab. Now this is Microsoft Word 2016 version. So if you are using an older version of MS Word like MS Word 2007, then you might find page color and page border option in some other tab. So I will go to Design tab. In Design tab on the right hand side, there are in page background group. Under page background group, you will find three options: watermark, page color and page border. So first let us take page color. Now in page color tool will fill your Microsoft Word document page with any color. Now you have variety of options. You can just put a single color, or maybe you can choose more colors, or maybe you can choose fill effects. Now in fill effects you can choose gradient, that means a set of one color, two colors, or presets you can use, or you can use textures. Some ready to use textures are already there. So you can add a texture also as a birthday invite like this, or you can use patterns. So you can choose a pattern of two colors. So for example, if I want to create a pattern of two colors, blue and white, and I want to use this as my page color, as my background of my birthday invite, then I can use any of these styles. So there are so many options available to you. You can choose any of these and then simply click OK button. So this is looking little dull. Let us take another one which is little bright, or we can change the color, the main color for it. So like this. So like this you can try different combination of colors and you can design your own pattern. For example, like this. Now time to add page borders. So you will go to page borders, and here if you want a simple border, a line border maybe, then there are so many options available. You can have colorful line borders too. Always follow a light dark combination between your page color and page border. So if your page color is light orange, as you can see on the screen, then I need to choose a very dark color border so that the border stands out, so that the border looks different from the page color. Like this, and I can apply it like this. But if I want a border of pictures, then I will go to page border. In this borders and shading dialog box, I will go to art. At the bottom you can see art option is there, and you can choose any border. There are pictorial borders, borders with pictures. So there is a balloon border. So I can choose this one. So now I have added page color and I have added page border. Now I will add word art. Now word art is one of the very nice tools of MS Word, in which you can write text in some creative manner and shapes. So I want to write you are invited. I want to write you are invited. So I am not going to write it in simple text. I will use word art. So to use word art, you will go to insert. I will go to insert, and then in insert, in text group, there is word art option. As you can see, so many colorful combinations are available here. Now once again, I need to take care of the background color and the word art color. As you can see, if my page background is light orange, and if I choose this one, this word art style 13, then this word art text is not going to look highlighted or attractive on my page background. So I need to choose a contrasting color. So I am going to go with this. And here in font, I can choose another font style. There are so many font styles already available to you. So I am going to choose. Always remember that whenever you are using a font style, the font style should be readable also. It should not happen that your font style is looking very beautiful, but I cannot read. No one can read what is written in the document. So readability has to be given priority all the time when you are creating a Word document. So I am choosing Harrington. This also looks good. And in your text here, I am going to write my own text, and let it be you are invited only. So you can choose whatever text you want to write and then click OK. Now the problem is, as you can see, my balloon border is also having shades of purple color, and then somewhere here in my word art also I am using the same shade, so it is gelling well. According to me, it is gelling well. Now the problem is I cannot move it. When you put word art in your MS Word document, just cannot move it, so you need to wrap it. So I will click on it. I will go to arrange. In arrange group, there is wrap text option. From here I will choose tight. So once I will choose tightly wrap, I can make my word art bigger or smaller also, and I can move it anywhere also, and I can rotate it also using this green color handle. So I am going to put it on top, and then now I have to add some pictures. So I have already downloaded some pictures in a folder in my computer. So I am going to use those pictures. So in your computers, there must be a pictures folder. So it is better that you always save your pictures in pictures folder in your computer, so that they are easy to find out. So now there are so many pictures, as you can see here. There is a picture of balloons, then pizza, then a boy, and a party popper and cake. So let us take a picture of a Now, see, as you can see, some white background has also come along with the picture. So when you are going to put a picture in your MS Word document, you will have to take care of two things. Number one is that your picture must be tightly wrapped. Otherwise, you will not be able to move it. So I will go to wrap text again and choose tight. Now I can move it. Other thing is I have to remove this background, this white background that is coming. So I will go to adjust group, and in recolor I will go to set transparent color and click. Now this will remove my transparent color from the picture. Now there are some pictures from internet in which you cannot remove the transparent background properly. So I would suggest that you should not use those pictures. That you will have to try out. Now, so I have used this party popper. I want to place it here. Now I want to add more such party poppers. So why to insert a picture again and again? I can simply copy paste this picture only. So what I will do, I will just go to home tab. In clipboard group, there is a copy. copy tool is there. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus C. I will simply copy this picture and then I will go to paste and just paste it. So when you are pasting it, choose the second option, picture option. So as you can see, I have got one more picture, but I will have to wrap this also. Now I want like this. I can have many pictures, or if you want to have two party popper pictures but in opposite direction, then you can rotate the second picture by going to arrange group, rotate and flip horizontal. This flip horizontal and flip vertical tools you have already learned in class 2. Now, so I am good to go. Now I want to write something in a text box. Now you have two options. Either you put a shape in this birthday invite document, or you can simply start typing from anywhere by simply pressing enter key. So, hello dear, hi dear, and I invite you to my 8th birthday bash. Bash means a party on, and then here you will give a date. So date could be any date you can give. So it's up to you how do you write your birthday invite text part. You can either write it in different shapes, or you can simply write in a paragraph what all you want to write. Now I want to change the font style. So to change the font style, I will go to this font and I will choose, I am choosing brush script empty bold, and I want to change the font size. Style I have changed, I want to change the font size. Now I will go to grow font and keep making it bigger, keep clicking it till it is of my desired size. So now I want to change the color. Again, remember the page background and font color should be contrasting. It should not be same, or you always follow light dark combination. So I am going to use maybe green can also go. So this is, I have written the birthday invite. Now I want to add a picture of a cake here again. So I will go to insert, I will go to picture, and I will choose a picture of a cake. Again I will have to wrap it tight, and I will have to remove the border from it. So this is how this is ready. So I have designed the birthday invite. At the top, at the bottom, you can simply give your name and mobile number, so that if your students want to contact you, they can contact. If you want to write in a shape, then instead of all this text, you can put a shape, insert shape, and you can put any shape, fill color in it. Again choose light dark combination always, and simply right click the shape to add text in it. And do the same thing that you did last time.